Hello, Marie. Thank you very much for coming to Germany, supporting us on CeBIT 2014. I'm really proud to have the general manager of WebSphere in Germany. So, my first question is what is your first impression from CeBIT?
Well, I have to admit this is my first visit to CeBIT, and I'm at standing view of all of the customers and all of the new technologies. And the focus this year of really making it on the enterprise, I think, has changed the dialogue to really driving how to transform businesses with new and emerging technologies. So it's been very exciting.
And when I looked to your calendar yesterday, I had the impression that you had a lot of customer meetings and a lot of business partner discussions. So what would you say, how was your first day?
So customers, business partners, even some press and analysts here. It's been a great crowd and wonderful to see so many WebSphere customers. And some of the things that they've been asking is how to really extend the investments they've already made in e-business and in cloud and extend it to mobile and to future systems of engagement, something we've been talking about as just the digital reinvention of business and how some of the consumer aspects are really affecting how people want to consume technology. So a lot of the things that we've been announcing here are new cloud capabilities, Bluemix, some of the extensions of WebSphere and Liberty on Cloud Foundry have really been very well received. I'm getting a lot of exciting interest.
And what is your observation? We have, as a WebSphere brand, we have tried to capture those hot topics in showcases. So how do you like the showcases? What is your favorite one?
Well, it would be very hard to pick, but certainly the extension of WebSphere into mobile and into the Internet of Things, some of the work that we're doing with Conti on the connected car, some of the things we're doing as an example with 3D printing and how we're connecting our message site appliance to provide inputs and engagement with new interfaces is really exciting. And probably the one that has gotten the most buzz is taking all of our middleware onto the cloud as part of our Bluemix platform as a service environment. So WebSphere, Liberty Build Pack, JavaScript, mobile development. You can now do a mobile development of a new app with a back-end connection in as little as 5 minutes. So that kind of engagement, it's hard to choose which is the most exciting. We've also been doing a lot of work on API management, as most new mobile apps have at least a half a dozen APIs. Most of them are not owned by the person delivering the app. And how we integrate all of those new services and sources is really exciting. We did a particular new piece on Bluemix with Pitney Bowes, providing business services that now can be consumed by our mobile and WebSphere developers. So really good stuff.
Thank you. And we have this one showcase where we show the impact from mobile with BPM, BPM with mobile. And we had yesterday a lot of discussions about social BPM. My question is, would you see as mobile is somehow a trigger point to look at processes and helps us to extend the BPM business? Would you say we can expect in the future something similar, that social is driving also processes and hopefully our BPM business?
Absolutely. We just released through GBS a new Institute for Business Value study on digital reinvention of business. And what it really pointed to was this combination of forces, mobile, cloud, social, big data, and how that's affecting the consumer interaction with businesses. And as part of that, we've determined that there are a number of key entry points, one of which is transformation. It's all about changing the business process and the business model to leverage these new technologies. Most customers in the study found that they were seeing productivity benefits of 10 to 20% because of that digital transformation and process execution. And to help customers get on that journey, we've done two things. One, as part of SaaS delivered services, so people can tap right into that capability, our Bluemix Live offering actually brings social interaction to process modeling on the cloud. And it's been growing double digit. We've seen great response from the market. And the other thing we did in conjunction with Global Services is announce a whole set of use cases, 8 specific industries with more use cases underneath that combine both mobile and business process, so that you can do check deposit processing in mobile banking, so that you can do customer engagement on a support stream. Those kinds of changes that can make customers very rapid in their response to these new technologies.
Quite impressive. So, Marie, I'm extremely proud that we have so many customers here, where we have joint meetings, and we can use the CeBIT platform to support our customers on their roadmap with those new technologies. So, as I have so many customers and partners here, I need your help. We have Impact, our WebSphere Deep, your favorite, exactly, the Deep Dive Conference, the worldwide famous WebSphere conference in Las Vegas in approximately 7 weeks, which is very close. So what can our customers expect from Impact now? How do we get them? They are all here and see all the showcases and our offerings. What can we do? What can they see? What do they might see in addition? What is shown on CeBIT at Impact end of April?
Well, I'm just back from not only CeBIT, but Mobile World Congress and our Developers Conference, a number of different events. But WebSphere, as a key brand supporting the Impact 2014 conference, starts April 27th in Las Vegas, is really where to get that deep dive. So seeing all the different showcases here gives you an idea of the art of the possible, but what we're really now doing is going deep with technology tracks on mobile, on cloud, on security, on big data. We have industry-specific tracks, we have certification, and we have a whole partner zone with industry-specific content as well, so that people can navigate very quickly and really meet the experts that are behind the products on how to use the technology best and how to get a great start. And our whole theme this year is to be first. Be first with mobile, with cloud, with new technologies in your industry and in your profession to use these with the best class of engagement. So I hope to see you all there.
Appreciate it. Thank you. That, I think, was a very nice motivational speech for our WebSphere community also to join Impact. Not just to come to CeBIT to see the broader offering from IBM, but also to get the deep dive of WebSphere then in Las Vegas in approximately 7 weeks. So Marie, I'd like to say thank you for this interview. A lot of good information, and looking forward to have some more interesting customer and partner discussions.
Outstanding, and I love the theme. We do WebSphere, and we do it in all sorts of ways. Thank you.
Thank you.